वेलकम टू एमएसएमई टॉक शो। आज हम मिल रहे हैं अश्मिरा से, जो कि एक यंग एंड डायनामिक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं एंड फाउंडिंग डायरेक्टर हैं गज लक्ष्मी कास्टिंग्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की। इनकी जर्नी बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग है। बीइंग ए सेकेंड जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर, बहुत ही कम उम्र में उन्होंने अपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी का स्टार्ट किया एंड बीइंग ए वुमेन एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की फील्ड में अपना नाम क्रिएट किया एंड एक अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सक्सेसफुली बिल्ड कर पाए। चलिए मिलते हैं उनसे और जानते हैं उनसे उनकी जर्नी के बारे में। वेलकम टू एमएसएमई टॉक शो अश्मिता जी।
थैंक यू सो मच राकेश जी। नमस्ते
नमस्कार
जी।
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको देते हैं टू बिल्ड ए वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस एंड ब्रांड गज लक्ष्मी कास्टिंग्स।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू
एंड वेरी वेरी कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर being nominated and get awarded as the Young and Dynamic Trailblazer Award from GIBF Global India Business Forum.
यस।
तो सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे आपसे कि कैसे आपकी ये एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई। काफी यंग है आप, तो हाउ यू स्टार्टेड विद दिस वेंचर?
So basically I come from a business background. Both my grandfathers, मतलब मेरे दादाजी, he had a business of his own. He was manufacturing gauges, and मेरे नाना जी was also connected to the business. He was a dealer of abrasive materials, and so I have had a very good business background. My father was into manufacturing of metal components using forging, so I was always fascinated by his work, and that's why I thought of also getting into metal manufacturing, but to do something else was what I wanted to think about, and so I got into casting. Yeah.
एक यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए कई चैलेंजेस होते हैं
जी।
और आप चाहते तो एक कंफर्ट लाइफ भी देख सकते थे, कहीं जॉब कर सकते थे एंड यू
Yeah.
आर वेल सेटल्ड। आई थिंक यू आर
Yeah.
सेकंड जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर।
Yeah.
सो इंस्पिरेशनल किक कहाँ से आई, मतलब टू गेट ये टू बीइंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर?
Right. So basically, there was this in my campus. Quick Heal was coming to my campus for campus interviews, and I just mentioned it to my father, and he just told me that they were classmates. Mr. Kailash Katkar, the founder and managing director of Quick Heal, he was my father's school classmate, and my dad told me about his inspirational story. I also read about it, and I think everyone should. It is, I mean, a great story, and actually, I was inspired from that a lot. And I also felt that if I'm doing a job, I could do well for myself. But instead, if I'm even doing a small business, even connecting 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 50 people, I'm creating an employment. Today, there are a lot of jobs in IT, and I mean, they're really making a lot of money. But those are white collar jobs, and it is only for the, I would say, the people who could, I mean, I'll say fortunate people who can do those jobs. But on the other hand, I feel that I have a very good respect for blue collar masters as well, because they are the people who are doing everything they can to prove themselves. They are completely upgrading their skill set and knowledge. They are ready to prove themselves, and are very loyal and everything. I mean, they are trying to give you your heart and soul, their heart and soul. And I wanted to create employment for such people, and to be connected in, by such people and to those people. So
इट्स रियली इंस्पायरिंग बिकॉज एक तो आप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में आना एंड बीइंग ए वुमेन, आई एम श्योर इट्स लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस आर देयर।
Yes.
and to start it from the scratch and to build to a level where you will be crossing 100 crore turnover next year.
Yes.
So you were able to build a very, very successful business.
Yes, there were a lot of struggles also. I mean, to be a female in this sector, it felt a little bit like there was some little bit awkwardness, and more than me, I think there were other people who were more uncomfortable. I mean, if there are a certain negotiation meetings or finalizing
Right.
meetings, and I would walk in, they will be like, oh, there's a woman coming and she's on the chair. But there were at the same time there were also people who would really admire that wow, there is a woman on this chair. So there are mix of both people. I have had very good experiences as well, and a little bit of awkwardness, a little bit of judgment on the other people's behalf. Everything said and done, I think today everything is changing. People are ready for women to also step up, be equal. I mean, there is equality today. I'd say I have not faced any discrimination as of today.
Great.
I don't feel that I lost any opportunities. In fact, I would say that I was instead, uplifted for being a woman, I would say.
That's great. आपके प्रोडक्ट लाइंस के बारे में बताइए. गज लक्ष्मी कास्टिंग्स एग्जैक्टली किसके सेक्टर में है, क्या आपके प्रोडक्ट लाइंस है?
जी, सो बेसिकली वी आर मेकिंग मेटल कंपोनेंट्स, एंड अभी हम जो सेक्टर्स को केटर कर रहे हैं, द मेजॉरिटी इज इन ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री. राइट नाउ वी आर मेकिंग ब्रेक ड्रम्स एंड ब्रेक हब्स मेजरली that fit into axles for commercial vehicles. Other than that, we are also making torque arms, pivot blocks, many kinds of brackets, channel brackets, angle brackets, etc. Motor. Then other than that, we are also catering to the agricultural sector. We are making gearbox houses. Gearboxes, housings for rotavators. Also agri hubs we are dealing in, and we are also manufacturing pulleys and motor flanges for the infrastructure sector.
फैंटास्टिक. और आप डिफेंस में भी एंट्री ले रहे हैं, आप बता रहे हैं.
जी, it is our dream to get into defense, and as well as Indian Railways. To get closer to this defense dream, we had taken a part in MSME Defense Expo last year, and we have got a very good response from there. We are connecting to people, and we are working towards that. We'll be getting into defense soon, and the defense sector is really booming a lot this decade. Last decade, around India's defense export was around 700 crores. This decade it is 21,000 crores. So 30 times increase was seen.
So do you think that the initiatives taken by government, Make in India, all these things are helping defense and railway?
A lot. I would say the credit goes to the government, and we are going in the right direction when it comes to defense right now. Yes.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में इतनी जल्दी इतना बड़ा बिजनेस बनाना, ईयर ऑन ईयर ग्रोथ करना, एंड कुछ सालों में 100 करोड़ के टर्नओवर को पार करना, मतलब वहां तक पहुंचना
जी,
इतना आसान नहीं होता है. तो कुछ तो आपका डिफरेंशिएशन फैक्टर रहा होगा जिसने आपको यहाँ तक पहुंचने में मदद करी. कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
जी जरूर. So 8 years back we started. It is a long time. ऐसा नहीं है कि we reached here immediately. We have faced a lot of challenges. And differentiating, मैं बोलूँगी, it is that unfortunately, but we got connected to really good people. हमने बहुत छोटा स्टार्ट किया है. First we started with trading the components. Then we were also renting some foundries in the Kolhapur belt, which is also the casting hub of Maharashtra. So we were renting, and हम लोग vendors हमने बहुत create किए हुए थे, and we were searching for orders when we started. हम बहुत सारे companies को जाके मिल रहे थे. There was a lot of marketing, and the strategies we were using was extreme. I mean, हम बहुत मतलब पीछे पड़े हुए थे लोगों के, ऐसे हम कह सकते हैं. And we were fighting for small orders also. But ऐसा हमें पता चला कि all the companies are having very good supply chains with the existing manufacturers. So हमने हमारी strategy थोड़ी सी चेंज की. हमने ऐसा बोला है उनको कि आपके जो नए components हैं, आप सिर्फ हमें उसमें चांस दे दीजिए जो कि आपको 1 साल के बाद लगने वाले हैं. तो companies also started giving us those kind of assignments कि चलो ठीक है, it is not going to matter to them that much. तो हमने उस स्ट्रैटेजी से वी स्टार्टेड विथ वेरी स्मॉल ऑर्डर्स एंड हम ट्रेडिंग कर रहे थे। फिर बाद में आफ्टर 2 years ऑफ ट्रेडिंग वी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड रेंटिंग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट इन कोल्हापुर। तो हम वैसे कर रहे थे, बट कंपनीज देन स्टार्टेड गिविंग अस वेरी गुड बल्क ऑर्डर्स विथ minimum order
And then
quantity.
you thought of starting manufacturing.
Yes, and that's when we started that. We thought that we have to now set up a company of our own. So around 2019, we started thinking about finding properties and everything. And there we came across that our existing banker had a sick unit. So our existing banker also thought that. If we could help them with the sick unit, they could also help us with the funding. As we were young, it was, a difficult situation for us. Getting into all those kind of compliances, collecting
I'm sure
documents.
auto bankers might be questioning you how you will be sustaining and being young.
Yes.
There's a trust issue, right? They don't get the confidence right away.
Yes, because everyone wants experienced people. And yes, we faced a little bit of difficulty there, but after 1.5 years, we landed up with a good banker, a right banker, because they also wanted, their sick unit to be sold out, and we grabbed the opportunity. When we went to the sick unit, it was a very positive place, and there was just a land and a shade, so we knew that it is going to be difficult. We have to make a lot of changes structurally also, but we were ready to do so, and we purchased the land in around 2019's April. Shortly after, when we started our work and everything, shortly after COVID also happened, so we faced difficulty there also, but the company was set up, and we started our production in December 2020.
It's around almost 5 years now.
Yes, and
4 years.
Yes, and I would say that place has changed the game for us. After we started our own manufacturing, there were a lot of profits which we were losing, giving out to the vendors and the transport and everything. So we started saving, and the cost saving increased, and also the orders increased. There were a lot of things which were in our control. So things have changed for us since then, and I feel that everyone should, have their own space, I would say.
It's commendable. And so where do you see your future? आप कहाँ देखते हैं अपने आप को, अपने इस ब्रांड को 10 years down the line कहाँ लेके जाना चाहते हैं?
We are dreaming a very big dream. Actually, our company's mission and motto is also to leave a mark upon the world. So, and leave a mark how? To cast a mark upon the world, because we are into casting. Yes. And after our target for next 5 years is to be 500 crore company. You were asking me about 10 years, so I'd say 1,000 crore company then.
Fantastic.
Yes.
It's very inspiring to know that young entrepreneurs dreaming at such a scale, and they are already able to build this kind of manufacturing setups. Business into manufacturing is very tough.
Yes.
It's very, very tough, because even bankers doubt initially.
Yes.
Even equity players doubt initially because they don't see the scalability. But good part is that you are already sustained. And 5 साल आप निकाल चुके हैं. Already you had given 5 years in manufacturing till now, and I'm sure the base is ready to scale.
Yes. No, we had a lot of struggles. बहुत issues हुए हैं beginning में. Setup करते वक्त बहुत issues हो जाते हैं. But now we have a good setup now. तो अभी I don't think that we are getting into any kind of trouble. कुछ होगा तो बहुत अच्छा ही होगा. कोई problem तो I don't see it happening. Touch wood.
ये positive mindset तो हर entrepreneurship में जरूरी है, और आप में तो मतलब शुरुआत ही आपकी बहुत पॉजिटिविटी के साथ हुई है.
जी.
आपके पास बहुत ऑप्शंस थे, आप कुछ भी कर सकते थे, फिर भी आपने रास्ता चुना, और आप तो सक्सेसफुल प्रूफ करके दिखाया है. सो बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी रही है. हमारी एमएसएमई ऑडियंस जो है टॉक शो देख रहे हैं, उन्हें आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे, क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे जो आपसे इंस्पायर हो पाए और आपकी जर्नी से प्रेरणा लेकर वो भी कुछ शुरू कर पाए?
मैं बोलूँगी कि परसिस्टेंस इज द की. आपको जो करना है वो आप एक मन में बना दीजिए एंड गो आफ्टर इट. एंड आप मतलब एटलीस्ट गिव योर सेल्फ 3 to 4 years फॉर योर ड्रीम. कंप्लीटली आप आपके लिस्ट बनाइए, आपको क्या करना है, एक विजन रखिए, एक विजन बोर्ड बनाइए. आई फील विजन बोर्ड रियली हेल्प्स, बिकॉज जो मैंने एटलीस्ट फॉर मी जो मैंने विजन बोर्ड पे रखा है अब तक, एटलीस्ट 70% थिंग्स आई हैव अचीव्ड एंड हैव डन. सो ऑल्सो कीप अपडेटिंग योर विजन बोर्ड, कीप अपडेटिंग एंड अपग्रेडिंग योर सेल्फ। आप जो भी कर रहे हैं उसमें चेंजेस, बिकॉज बिजनेस इज़ वेरी डायनेमिक, एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली। तो आपको एक नियर फार साइटेड विजन रखना है, ऐसे मैं बोलूँगी। एंड ऑल्सो आजकल एक्चुअली ये बर्न रेट वगैरह भी जो आ रहा है, मार्केटिंग पे लोग बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा कर रहे हैं। एंड सो आईड से दैट आपके प्रोडक्ट्स एंड प्रोडक्शन पे आप ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिए, डोंट फॉल फॉर सच थिंग्स। एंड शॉर्ट टर्म मत सोचिए, थोड़ा लॉन्ग टर्म ही सोचिए। एंड बी फ्लेक्सिबल ऑल्सो फॉर चेंजेस, आई फील।
ग्रेट अश्मिरा जी, इट हैज़ बीन इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी ऑफ यूअर्स। आई एम श्योर काफ़ी लोग आज इंस्पायर होंगे ये शो को देखकर, इस पॉडकास्ट को देखकर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।